What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're answering one of the most common questions in the car community. Can you actually build a clean, reliable, fun 90s Civic with just $5,000? And the answer is yes, you can, but only if you spend the money in the right order, because blowing your budget on the wrong mods early will absolutely kill the build before it even starts. So in this video, I'm going to break down exactly what you should buy first, what you should not touch yet, and how to stretch a $5,000 budget the smartest way possible when building a 90s Civic. Now this applies to whether you're starting with an EG, an EF, or even an EK. So let's get into it. Step 1, buy the right Civic. Biggest mistake people make. Before you buy a single part, we need to talk about the car itself. If you spend too much money on the car, the build is already dead. With a $5,000 total budget, your Civic should cost between $1,500 and $2,500 max.
Oh, really, dude?
I don't care how clean it looks on Instagram. I don't care if it's already lowered. I don't care if it has nice wheels. You want a straight chassis with minimal rust, a clean title, and preferably stock or close to stock. Paint doesn't matter. Interior condition, guess what? Doesn't matter. Aftermarket parts, guess what? Do not matter. Chassis condition is everything. If you buy a $3,500 Civic because it looks cool, you just deleted your entire mod budget. So be patient. Buy the right base. Step 2, maintenance before mods. This is non-negotiable. And this is where most people mess up. So before you buy wheels, before you buy suspension, before engine swaps, you must do maintenance. Plan $500 to $800 immediately for the basics, like a timing belt, water pump, all fluids, spark plugs, plug wires, distributor cap and rotor, valve cover gasket, vacuum lines. This stuff ain't exciting, it's not sexy, but this is what makes the car reliable. There is nothing worse than putting mods on a car that breaks down every 2 weeks. Ask me how I know. A reliable Civic is way more fun than a built Civic that doesn't run. It's as simple as that. Step 3, suspension. Now this is your first real mod. Once the car is reliable, suspension comes first. Not power, not wheels, suspension. This is where your Civic actually becomes fun to drive. You don't need $2,000 coilovers. Budget $700 to $1,000 for quality coilovers or shocks and springs. You're gonna need new control arm bushings, maybe. A proper alignment, maybe. A well set up Civic with good suspension will embarrass faster cars in the street.
You're goddamn right.
This is where the car starts to feel built. Step 4, wheels and tires. Now tires matter more than wheels, but now we're gonna talk about wheels. Do not blow your money on name brand wheels yet. A clean set of used wheels is perfect. Budget $400 to $700 for wheels, $400 to $600 for tires. And yes, tires matter more than wheels. Good tires will improve the handling, improve the braking, improve ride quality. It'll just make the car feel faster. Cheap tires, they ruin everything. Step 5, brakes. Underrated but critical. This is another area that people ignore. Your Civic doesn't need big brakes, but it needs good brakes. So budget $300 to $500 for it. Get you some new rotors, quality pads, stainless brake lines, fresh brake fluid. Stopping with confidence make the car feel more powerful even without adding horsepower. Step 6, intake and exhaust. Keep it simple. Now we can finally talk about engine mods. With the $5,000 budget, you are not building a race motor yet, and that's okay. Start with the cold air intake, a quality header, exhaust that's not obnoxious. Budget about $400 to $700 total. Don't chase dyno numbers, chase drivability, because a smooth, responsive Civic is way more enjoyable than a loud, slow one. Step 7, driver connection mods. Now this is huge. These mods don't get talked about enough. So budget $300 to $500 for like a short shifter, new shifter bushings, a steering wheel, fresh motor mounts if needed. These mods completely change how the car feels. This is when the Civic starts feeling tight, connected, and intentional. Now this is optional. Save for a swap, but don't rush it. If you're thinking about a B series or K series swap, don't rush it on a $5,000 budget. A proper swap deserves its own budget. Instead, enjoy the car, learn the chassis, save for the swap later. A clean, sorted stock motor Civic is better than a half-finished swap any day of the week. Now here's the final budget breakdown, roughly. Here's how $5,000 typically breaks down. The car, $2,000. Maintenance, $700. Suspension, $900. Wheels and tires, $1,000. Brakes and driver mods, $400. Now that's a real bill. It's not a flex bill. Building a 90s Civics on a budget is not about horsepower at first. It's about reliability. It's about the chassis, driver feel, smart spending. If you do it in this order, you end up with a car that's fun, reliable, and ready for future upgrades. Now, if this helped you, hit that like button. Go on and hit it. And subscribe for more real-world Honda builds. And comment what chassis you have or starting the build or whatever, in EF, and EK, and EG. And I'll see you on the next one.